Austin chapter came into existence around 2000 when Patty and Sriram were sent by Guruji. And in those days, there would be 4 or 5 people doing the Kriya. That's all there were that had done
And
the
the
Kriya.
first memory that comes to my mind is of all the fun times that we had together, organizing courses, organizing Guruji's visits, hanging out together in knowledge, growing in knowledge, and just that sense of connectedness, that sense of belongingness. That was so special. And we, even if Satyan and me have moved out of Austin for over 7 years now, those memories really remain so fresh with us as if it was just yesterday.
Got into Art of Living about over 12 years back in 2000, 13 years back, and have seen Austin Art of Living grow from a handful of people with one teacher doing occasional courses in Austin.
Courses would happen. We would go to intro talks, 6 of us, 5 volunteers, and one new person. And that's how we would stick together and keep, spreading the word.
The group was, of course, much smaller then, and I'm sure now it has expanded so much more activity. But I'm sure the underlying bond of connectedness, taking care of each other, and the dynamism that made the place so special is still the
Amazing.
same.
Most of us have become teachers, that started our journey on the path here in Austin, and we have come a long way. Now we have reached out to more than perhaps 3,000 people. We're really happy for being part of this vibrant.
And now we have a center for over 3-4 years and multiple Kriya locations and sessions every week. Uh, so many teachers, over 10 plus teachers in Austin. And it's amazing to just see the growth and the fun and the celebration and the Art of Living family in Austin. Fully functional steer committee with very well organized bylaws and operations going on. Our satsang team is awesome.
We have satsangs happening regularly every month, twice, second and fourth Saturdays. We also have some special satsangs that happen upon request, celebrating festivals, birthdays, and other events. This year we have had 33 satsangs already. That includes 4 of them that took place in other communities which conducted some events. Communities like Austin Hindu Temple, Dharma and Yoga Fest, Sri Satya Sai. We also have recently initiated kids from AOL families into bhajan singing, and they've been performing.
And not to mention, we have an awesome satsang team with some of the great voices who have performed in national level in the presence of Guruji too. Ganesh, Yamuna, Niru, Selva, Vijay, Kalpesh, Ushama, Prasanna, and so many others have been contributing a lot to make this whole satsang experience vibrant and colorful.
Art of Living family is a great family to have in my life. They're all great people, and we have lots of fun. We help each other too. And if you're moving to a different city or different country, you experience the same love and joy everywhere. It's just unfathomable.
We have such an amazing volunteer base, such an awesome group of people doing seva in so many different ways in UT, in Austin Recovery Center, alcohol recovery and drug rehab kind of programs, in various companies all around Austin, apartment complexes, doing free yoga and meditation sessions, and just spreading the awareness to people, and also doing other service projects with other organizations.
Art of Living UT has grown immensely over just the last couple of years, and we host weekly yoga and stress buster meditation sessions. And through these sessions and events like Yoga in the Mall, we're able to reach out to well over 1,000. We also host the Yes Plus workshop every semester. We just had our third Yes Plus workshop earlier this November. Future events include Yoga Remix Feel the Love. It's going to be a live music concert and yoga experience. So we really look forward to the events
amount of
to
being
come.
service is offered to uplift the community, the people, and the friends and family members. And taking care of environment is so amazing. It is just selfless.
Texas Ashram is a very special place for a lot of us. Since 2006, Austin volunteers made a lot of transformation there, making the ranch into an ashram. Whenever we were there, our hands were busy, mind was free, and heart was full.
Volunteers from Austin have put their heart and soul doing seva, organizing courses, Gurudev's visit, kitchen seva, cleanup, gardening, construction work, you name it.
Personally, I grew. It made me strong, made me humble, and it gave me skills which I could have never gotten anywhere else. It gave a sense of satisfaction which I never experienced before. End of the day, we had great fun doing
We're
Seva
all
there.
same, at one level. And for last 1 year, I've been leading the free yoga and meditation workshop at the Art of Living. When I hear their experience, it's so amazing. So I feel that my life is being useful to other people.
Even though we may be physically far away, ultimately the string that unites us all pearls is the same, and we all know what that is. Of course, Guruji. And that's all I had to share. Jai Gurudev.
Krishna Govinda, Govinda Govinda, Krishna Govinda, Govinda Sham.